How to log in into Citizens Bank of Edmond account. Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process step by step. So without any delay, let's just get started. So for that, you can go ahead and access their website and locate the online login area. So go to City Banks of Edmond, which is mycitizens.bank. This site right here, or you can even download the application if available. And once you are here, you should be finding this particular interface. Now from here, look out for the menu in the top right corner. And once you tap on it, here it will give you option. So look out for the login option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to their login page. So wait for that page to load up on your screen first. And here you go. So here all you gotta do is here in the section enter up your login ID. So just go ahead and follow the instructions, enter up your credentials and put your login ID right below the password that you created when you initially signed up for online banking and tap on login. And that way you can go ahead and log in into Citizen Bank's of admin account and access all of the features. Otherwise, if it's your first time logging in, you can look out, or if your account has not been created, you can look out for Enroll Now option on your screen and follow the prompts in order to create the Citizen Banks of admin account and head over the login page and log in again. So if you'd also like to log in into Citizen Banks of admin account, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, you can drop them down below.